Hey, I'm Dave Wulak, and in this video we're talking about the 2024 year edition of the Roku Ultra. There are two big features that aren't on the box and that you can't experience just yet, but I want to get them at the very beginning of this video. First is that you can multi-stream with this device. Eventually. So that's going to be really exciting. This will allow you to stream 4 streams at the same time. They did a little video with Fubo as an example. And then this device is so powerful with its Bluetooth built on in that you'll be able to connect your favorite video game console controller and stream from the cloud your favorite video games. Coming soon, of course. They've said it's possible, but they haven't said what channels, what video game cloud services are arriving just yet. But you can imagine, you can dream, can't you? So 2 big reasons to pick up this particular version of the Roku Ultra. So of course, what does this Roku Ultra actually have in the box? Well, first off, the Roku Ultra's HD 4K HDR, along with the Dolby Vision, Atmos, and Wi-Fi 6, the rechargeable Voice Remote Pro 2, because it's backlit, very nice. And let's go ahead, check out the sides. What else is in here? USB-C charging cable. Of course, you've got your power adapter, as well as your high-speed HDMI cable. Nice, so that includes that. So, of course, we'll need the internet. And if you want, make sure you are connecting to that HDMI port, HDC P2.2 for 4K. So there is an Ethernet port. They've kept that very nice if you want the fastest internet possible. It'll work with your Apple AirPlay, Apple Home, Google Home. Oh, nice and cushy here. So here is the Roku Ultra, very lightweight. Similar hockey puck style design as the previous one. There's our USB port, as well as Ethernet power and HDMI. Let's get you streaming. But wait, there's more. So here's all the fun stuff, our remote, the HDMI cable, as well as our USB-C cable. Very nice to see. We can plug in this side to the back of our Roku box if you wanted to charge it that way, as well as you've got the power cord. The remote does come with the quick launch buttons, Netflix, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video. There is the rocket button, or whatever they call that exactly. So that allows you to do all your quick shortcut guides on the screen. Plugged in the Roku Ultra, and it's already telling me to pair my remote. So we're just going to push down both of these for about 5 seconds, the back button and the home button. Looks like it's lighting up right there, and we're paired. So we can move forward with our wireless connection, log into the Wi-Fi network. Like to see that the signal strength is excellent. Okay, so we do have an update. Looks like it's restarting now. Ooh, my TV supports 4K Dolby Vision HDR. I like that. But we're going to continue with 1080p Dolby Vision HDR. So your Roku remote can control the power and volume of the TV. Definitely recommend that we do that. I have a Sony TV. How did it know? How did it know? Music is playing. Anyway, now we have to connect our Roku account. So let's plug in our email address. Press and hold the microphone button. Yo. Yep, Yahoo. That's pretty close. It did say to do 1 letter at a time. So G, B, Z. Pretty nice. Next step, check our email. So we'll get an email saying activate the device. Let's click on that. So we get to name the device. So I said Roku Ultra 24, the location. We'll do the living room, agree to the terms, continue, move on. It's now downloading all my various channels. We'll have to agree to the voice consent and click on I understand in order to use the Hey Roku. So I understand, continue. There are also some helpful free tips right here. All done. So right out of the gate, this is running Roku OS 14. So if we press the guide button, it loads up the live TV guide. And as we kind of cycle through the live TV, it's loading very quickly. That's great. That's just like cable TV, you know? The rocket button will load the quick launcher where we can swap out these 2 icons. as well as a search and wireless headphones. I do want to do a speed test of the wireless connection. So the internet download speed on my 5G band says it's 440 megabits per second. That's actually the fastest speed I've ever seen on one of these Wi-Fi speed tests. So them integrating Wi-Fi 6, definitely working. So I am far enough away from my Wi-Fi router that it is affecting speed. This is the Roku Ultra 2022 edition, and we're looking at 31 megabits per second. It doesn't even see my 5 gigahertz wireless band. Maybe it's just too far away from the router, but that being said, this is Wi-Fi 5, so the Wi-Fi 6 2024 model should be a lot better. Let's see the comparison. So we've got 98 megabits per second on the Roku Ultra 2024. This is the Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz band. You can see right here my 5G one is only 1 bar versus the 2G is about 3 bars. The signal strength is poor, and the internet download speed says 57 megabits per second on my 5G Wi-Fi band. So pretty bad, but still better than the 2022 Roku Ultra. Which do you think is the 2024 versus the 2022? If you guess this is the 2022, you're right, and this is the 2024. So slight differences in the grip texture. This one, the grip seems like it goes closer to the edge, a lot lesser of the grip going to the edge over here. Getting a close-up of it. Some shininess factor. The tags are basically in the same position, flipping it around, flipping it around. You got actually a taller unit over here, but seems to be very close in size to the previous unit actually. Just very much so taller. So at the end of the day, one says Roku Ultra, the other one says nothing on it. And of course, flipping it around, you should basically get all the same features. The Ethernet's in a different position. Oh, this one didn't come with USB? Oh no, the USB is on the side here. So that makes more sense to have all of the locations for all your inputs off in the back. Much sleeker and nicer in that regard. And it's got this nice little lip right here. So this was pretty flat. There is a lost remote finder button at the very top here. The lost remote finder button is on the side. So there you have it. And once again, I'm Dave Ulike. Subscribe to my channel for more Roku videos coming soon, as well as if you have any questions about the Roku Ultra 2024, let me know in the comment section below.